I'm going to press Control-Alt-W for Word, and
Alt-Control-W. Document 1-Word, print view, edit.
and it just immediately takes me to a Word document.
Context menu, cut unavailable to move through.
And my touchpad's on, so I'm going to turn that off by pressing Function F5.
MKN1, touchpad notification: your touchpad has been disabled. Escape, leaving menus, print view, edit.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type
I1 TAAANAAN YOUFOUR FOURCONPRESENTATION presentation exclaim space EYEIHOPEOOURELELER BOUT about TECHNLOGYL period slang.
So I say, hi, thank you for FOUR coming to my presentation. EYE, hope you are learning all about technology. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, sorry, the focus board is being, anyway, so I'm going to edit it.
Before you do that, I just want to try.
Windows P projection options list box extend 3 of 4. Duplicate. Document.